Good evening everyone. My name is Chaitanya Dev from class 90. Today I will explain the PPT of the topic major rivers and their economic importance in Telangana. So we are starting. So we are started. So this is the presentation. The topic is major rivers and their economic importance in Telangana. This is prepared by myself, me, Chaitanya Dev, and my subject teacher, respected Vandana Ma'am, Gulab Municipal Public School, Palwal. Acknowledgement. This project work, major rivers and their economic importance in Telangana, given to us during the COVID-19 pandemic time. It was very difficult to collect the related data without attending the school due to the situation of lockdown and the containment zone also. Here I am very thankful to respected ma'am Vandana Singh, who really support and guided me time to time in completion of this project work. Introduction. It is very important to do or know about any work in a systematic manner. I am a student of Gulab Municipal Public School, Palwal, discussing in very short about this project. Different types of rivers, tributaries found in the different parts of Telangana and their economic importance. In different parts of Telangana, also we can see the rivers and tributaries for their daily use basis and their economic use. So each tributary of river in Telangana and their economic importance is very special and in itself and in tourism and research purpose also. This is index. This is the map of Telangana. This is the map of India where Telangana is mentioned. This is the map of Telangana with its capital. Formation of Telangana. Telangana is a state in India situated in south central stretch of Indian peninsula on High Deccan Plateau. It is the 12th largest and populated state of India. Its geographical area is 1,12,077 km square. On 2nd June 2014, the area was separated from the northwestern as newly formed 29 state with Hyderabad as its historic permanent capital. It was separated from Andhra Pradesh. As the reports of 2019, Telangana is divided into 33 districts. This is the river map of Telangana. Major rivers of Telangana. There are two major rivers of Telangana. First Godavari and second Krishna. Information about major rivers of Telangana and their drainage system. The state is drained by mainly two rivers, Godavari and Krishna, before entering into the state of the Andhra Pradesh and finally to the Bay of Bengal. Economic importance of rivers in Telangana. Godavari. Being the largest peninsular river, Godavari is especially significant for agriculture and transport for daily basis in the area, mainly in Telangana. It is also used for many purposes and it is also known as second Ganga or Dakshin Ganga, the South Ganga. Krishna River. Krishna River region is intensive agriculture activity. Over 50% of land area is agriculture, mainly in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. River Krishna is also used for many purposes in Telangana like agriculture, transport for daily basis, boat race, etc., fishing. Tributaries of Godavari River in Telangana. There are three main tributaries of Godavari River in Telangana, Pranhita River, Manjira River and Manai River. Tributaries of Krishna River in Telangana. There are also three main tributaries of Krishna River in Telangana. First, Musi River, second, Muneru River and third, Bhima River. Information about both rivers. The Godavari and Krishna are very close to each other. Together they support 1 crore people in an area of 12,700 square kilometers. Godavari is also known as Ganga of South, Dakshin Ganga, as I told you earlier. It is because the Godavari River is one of the largest and biggest peninsular river, similar to the largest Himalayan. It is similar to the Ganga River in the south, hence it is known as the Dakshin Ganga. Conclusion. In the reference of topic major rivers and their economic importance in Telangana, given to me as a project work, I am thankful to Srimati Vandana Singh ma'am because her guidance made me confident to complete this project work, and also thankful to all our computer teachers for made us confident to do such type of work on computer. This is the bibliography source, which is Google. Thank you.